Hello, I am Noor. This is my channel Easy Drawing Art. If you like my channel, subscribe. First write happy birthday on a white paper. First I wrote happy. Then I wrote birthday. Now cut it with a sharp knife. Cut nicely and gently. I cut it nicely. Now don't put it on top of the thermocol. Let's lock with a pin. Write nicely on the thermocol. Straighten the strain. Let's fix some drawings. I write birthday beautifully on thermocol. Let's fix it slowly. Yellow color acrylic paint. You have to paint beautifully with a brush, shining to look brighter. I paint the particles beautifully with a brush. Let's round nicely. I brush with white paint on the side. The writing will be beautiful. I am giving less to show bright. Like previous work. Let's do it. The color of the brush, it should be taken in quantity. If you like my channel, subscribe. The paint is towards the end. Before we paint, I cut the thermocol nicely. Yellow color paint brightness. The yellow color looks beautiful. Thank you all for watching the video. If you like my channel, subscribe to more video. Subscribe to our channel to watch more beautiful video. Let's border the side white with white color. I write nicely and slowly. White color border. White color border. I write nicely and slowly. Thank you all for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to watching more video. Thank you.